I'm at Envision so I can meet like-minded people and have a beautiful, concrete, opening vibe. And have an amazing party with good people. Talk about spirituality, awareness, consciousness, and in a gorgeous place with amazing people from all around the world. But it's all a collective awareness that everyone's here for one reason, and that's to have an amazing time.
Workshops, I'd love to see Xavier Red live again. Come back as a better human, a little more self-sustaining, eco-friendly. It would be great to go back and learn how to be in the moment and be there and be a positive additive to society.
First setting sun at Envision on the playa, first experience and first year in Costa Rica, dancing bare feet under the palm trees. I'm feeling so blessed and so grateful for the chance to be here and the chance to meet so many beautiful lives and souls.